Hello guys, review Infinix HOT 30i. This device with NFC, open box, version 4GB memory and 128GB internal memory in the blue color device. In complementation we have protected back cover, key for SIM slot, adapter for charging with quick charge, Type-C cable. Okay, protected film on the front display, plastic body, double camera on the back side, LED, on this side power button and wall buttons, power button with fingerprint scanner, on the front side display 6.5 inch, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device, okay, open Antutu benchmark. We have Antutu results. Okay, my device. We have iOS Android 12, Unisoc T616, renderer Mali G57. Okay, Android and XOS version 10.6, Android 12. Okay, close this. GTA San Andreas works good. Okay, GTA San Andreas on the max graphic level load. And works perfect. Okay. Calc. Camera. We have many modes in camera. Okay, close. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.